Hello, everyone. I'm Nancy Anger, intuitive coach and master energy healer. And it's August 2020. And I was feeling very called, compelled to come on and create and share a short video on about breath work and really how to come into balance, whether you're feeling stress or anxiety or fear or worry, when you're feeling tired, and even if you're feeling like hyper, like overly energized. Sometimes even when we feel really excited about something, we can also, our energy can get too high and it can be a little frenetic sometimes. So the breath, I've been teaching breath work for 18 years and practicing it longer than that. And even for myself, it's always a good reminder to breathe. So the breath is with you always. And one of the things about the breath, it's a good reminder for balance, right? When we're breathing in and breathing out, we can only exhale as much as we inhale, right? We have to give to ourselves, and then we can give back. So if you are driving, which I love to listen to YouTube when I'm driving, but I suggest not listening to YouTube, not listening to this particular video when you're driving, because I'm going to bring you into a little bit more of a meditative state. However, I invite you to come back to this video again and again, anytime. I know to me, it's always nice to have a friend to breathe with or someone to remind me and that I can keep a pace with. It gives me some extra focus. But I also invite you to practice the breath work anywhere. You can practice breath work when you're driving and nobody's going to know. You can practice in the grocery store. You can practice anytime, anywhere. Once you kind of have this little reminder, this little tool in your tool belt, you can use it anywhere. So make sure it's kind of that you have a quiet moment right now where you are. And if you don't, then come back in a little bit later when you do. I invite you to just take a nice breath in, make sure you're seated comfortably. You could even lie down if you want to. I used to have a lot of upper back pain years ago, and it was comfortable for me to lie down more often. So take a nice breath in. And then as you exhale, I invite you to close your eyes. And just start to let your energy, your awareness start to just settle down into your body. You might even, so breathing in, and so let's breathe in and out through the nose. There's different ways to breathe, whether you breathe in and out through the nose or the mouth, but for now, I'm just gonna have you breathe in and out through the nose for nice little general regulation of the breath in and out. And as you exhale, just start to let yourself come a little more present. Start to imagine calling yourself into the room, into this moment, calling your mind or your mental body in as you're breathing in and out. Inviting your emotional body to come present with you and your body, your physical body right now. Inviting your awareness into your physical body as well. And inviting even your spiritual body if you'd like. And then just breathe in and out. Don't try to do anything special with your breath. Just let yourself breathe in and out and just start to observe your breath as you're breathing in and breathing out. And as you do, notice without judgment if your breath is feeling shallow or if it's feeling longer. And it will change throughout the day. It will change depending on different things going on in your life. You may notice if you're feeling more stress or tension, the breath will tend to get more shallow. When we're more relaxed, we'll feel more grounded and present. But we can also use the breath to shift ourselves into a more balanced state, into coming more present. And the beauty of it is, it will start to happen just by bringing your awareness to it. As you're breathing in too, notice what parts of your body are expanding. Like, is it your belly? Is it your chest? Is it somewhere else? And as you breathe out, you should feel a softening and contracting, maybe a little drawing in. Maybe your jaw relaxes a little more. Your hands, your arms can let go a little bit of any holding. Breathing in and breathing out. Next time you exhale, maybe you even notice if there's any tightness or tension holding. Sometimes we hold tightness in our thigh muscles and our feet and we don't realize it. But just by my words, it might bring more awareness that you can suddenly realize, oh, I'm holding a little tightness there. Let me relax that consciously. And then become aware of the back of your body, right? We're so accustomed to seeing our front body all the time. Our front body is always like usually the first thing that meets and greets people and energy and whatever, wherever going in the world. But I want you to bring your awareness to the back part of your body, the back of your head. Almost imagine if your eyes could sink back a little bit in your head. The back of your neck, right? A lot of people hold a lot of tension in the back of the neck. The tops of the shoulders, the back of the shoulders. And imagine, even if it doesn't quite work that way, imagine as you next breathe in that you're breathing into your upper back, the shoulder blades, the back of the shoulders, the trapezius muscles, the back of the ribs. And then as you exhale, feel yourself sink, settle a little bit more deeply down into your seat or onto the table if you're laying down. Next time you breathe in now, bring the breath down to your mid-back, the back of like the solar plexus, the kidney, adrenal area, right? We can hold a lot of stuff, fear, tension there. Imagine that you're breathing into that mid-back, just below the kidney area, just below the ribs, the back of the ribs. And exhaling, letting it go. Right, when we consciously breathe, it also helps us to, there's an act of trust there, right? Each time you exhale, you're trusting that the next inhalation is going to arrive. And then next time, so keep following your own breath. Next time you inhale, imagine breathing into the back of your low back and your back of your pelvis, the back of your hips. You can even imagine two hands gently on the back of your pelvis if you like that sensation to bring awareness. Actually, I'm feeling guided to actually count to kind of help bring you down a little bit deeper. 10, 9, each one bringing you a little bit deeper inside yourself. 8, 7, and just go with your own pace of the breath. Don't worry about the counting with the breath. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And just imagine yourself now, even as I say that, perhaps you might imagine as if you were just being able to just fall back on a soft, comfy feather bed or feather pillow. Just imagine it in your mind's eye or sense what it might feel like in your body to just let yourself fall back and relax and imagine yourself just sinking in. So even just taking a few minutes for the breath allows our nervous system to come back into balance. It helps all the input and the data and the stuff that you might be having in your daily life, it allows those things to kind of, move back out of your field a little bit and allows yourself some space in your body, your mental body, your emotional body, your physical body. Some time to just have a little break, a little rest. And even it's a great reminder to notice and feel, let your being feel what it feels like to just be fully in your own energy for a few moments. You can continue breathing like this for as long as you want. Or if you're ready, you can just start to deepen the breath a little bit more. Maybe feeling it coming into your chest and your lungs. Even you can start, you might want to wiggle your fingers and toes a little bit. You can also bow your head towards your chest for a moment. And on your next in-breath, you can slowly bring your head up and open your eyes. And just notice how you feel. Hopefully you feel a little more balanced, a little more peaceful, a little more grounded. And it's also from this place, the state of feeling, being, makes it a lot easier to tune into yourself, to what you want, what you need most in this moment right now. Maybe if you want, you even take a moment or a thought to write down, what do I need right now? What would I like right now? Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, please press like, share it with other people if you feel called to. I'd love to. The breath is just such a powerful tool and pretty much everyone can access it. So I appreciate it if you share, hit subscribe. And again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again on another video. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night, wherever you are in the world.